Alright, let's set this up. What's going on, people? I'm back again with another street photography session. Today I'm here with Jermaine. So the plan of today is to shoot in Colchester. I've never shot in Colchester before. Same as Jermaine, really. So today we're going to be exploring a new town. 2875? Yeah, Tamron. And of course the 70 to 180 Tamron. So I've actually got two today. So I've got my A6400 just sitting on my hip with the Sigma 16. The weather today is quite typical English bipolar. Not quite, yeah, not quite knowing what the hell is gonna happen. All right, let's get warmed up.
Are you going more architectural people?
Both. If I'm honest, I'm hoping to see more people.
Oh, really?
Because, of course, recently it's been dead, hasn't it? I'm gonna hit this guy here with his dogs.
What's your people shooting technique?
I don't know. It used to be. Okay. I think now I'm quite conscious because I've taken some time out.
Right.
I used to shoot with the, all right, fair dues, a 50mm crop sensor is 75, so I've got a bit of range on there, but I just used to snap that thing off, and the shutter on the A6400 was quite loud as well, so it was like, I just used to clap it because I was new, but then, I don't know, as you grow, you just, I don't know, you have that kind of ethical side that kicks in saying, yo, a bit of privacy, please. I'm following you, because the only thing that I know of Colchester when I came here, I came to eat one time, and there's just loads of hills.
As we Ipswich now.
So is this bigger than Ipswich?
Nah.
Yeah. See, I've just ordered myself the 24. I'm worried because I'm not used to shooting at this focal length anymore. Like imagine now, wide. That is way too wide to be using as a street. I mean, I wouldn't use it as street lens, but yeah, 100%. Oh, what's this? You got camera stores here. It's one of those London camera exchange. Right. Sorry guys, there's not a lot of this around in Ipswich and, well, London there is, but all right, sorry guys, there's been a lot of talking and no action. I'm a little bit frigid when it comes to getting back into the street photography, but oh, that Red Lion Yard over there looks nice. Can't lie. Looks like that Chinatown-like vibe. Let's get this.
Can't you shoot on silent?
Yeah, I can, but I don't want to.
That's awesome, that camera.
Do you want a picture?
How much is it?
Mine's about 30 quid. You got 30 quid?
Yeah, 30 quid. I've only got like 10 quid, 15 quid on me.
Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. That'll do. Come, spend all your money. That'll do.
I've only got 15 quid on me, mate.
Look.
But I need it for the weekend.
That's cool. No, I'm playing.
I'll get more money later, and then I'll pay you that. Yeah?
All right, no worries. I'll see you next week then.
Yeah, mate. How much is it anyway?
Depends. What do you want?
I've only got 15 quid on me for
15
it.
quid? Oh, it's all right. You keep it for the weekend.
Well, can I pay you 15 quid for it?
No, not now. Don't worry. I'll send it to you though. You got Instagram?
Right, what about 20 quid if I give you it now? All right,
Nah, it's all right. It's all right. You keep it.
Don't want to do it. Don't worry about it.
All right, no worries.
When I see you another day, I'll give you like 30, 40 quid for it.
Yeah, something like that. That's one way to warm up.
Have a nice day, guys.
You too. Yeah. Outside of COVID times, what would you usually get out to in town?
Smart down.
Right. Right.
What do you do? Where you
I Oh, hang on. Escape room.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I might try one of them panning shots. Not to say.
Together.
No, like a
Oh, motion blur.
Yeah, I could try that in a sec actually, with something going by. Grab my wider, work up my aperture, slow my shutters, okay. I missed it, I think. Let's try landscape. I think that's a bit too much. Let's turn that up a tiny bit.
I missed that one.
Yeah, I missed a skateboarder. Check it. Sort of. Later on.
How far did it get?
I honestly don't know. Hang on, let me check. Guys, this is depressing. My GoPro's just decided that it wanted to corrupt the file. I turned it back on. It said that it's fixing the file, but at this current moment in time, it means that I've lost a whole bunch of footage. I'll play what I've kind of shot, what I feel like is good in the meantime. But apologies, I'm just gonna have to pick up from now and then go from there, really. I'm guessing there would have been some funny moments lost, but oh well. Oh, that's where we came from, right?
Down there, and if we turn it that way.
Should we go back this way then?
There's nothing that way.
Alright, cool.
In terms of the town, that's it. Much your parts of it.
Everything. Do you want to do another lap or call it a day?
Come down this way.
Ain't got nothing to do. Absolutely not. It's weird because it's like I deem like street photography as not necessarily nothing to do, but it's kind of like a, yeah, I know I'm free, and it's just a yeah, it's a pastime, and that doesn't come around very often. I understand they're young, but fuck me, like you could do like go home and play FIFA, like
it's cold out here as well.
That's what I mean, like.
You got the focus hit, you see? Ah, that kills me. That kills me every time. I would literally have to be on that side of the road,
in her
about
face.
2 meters away from her, to even get her full frame.
But one would say, one would consider this as cheating when it comes to street photography, because it's like you should be getting a little bit more up close and personal. That's what I'm saying. When I had that, I basically had a prime. I basically had the 75. I used my nifty 50 to just everything.
Yeah.
Oh, let's get him crossing the road. Shit. Should have hit on landscape. Oh, yes. The single beetle. To where we were, that strip was probably the most liveliest place that we had seen, and then just call it a day.
Oh, for the shoot?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's still working. Did it say?
Everything is dead. Yeah, the more I roll around at this, rolling around at 70, yeah, I can see your strain.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Imagine having that as your...
Yeah, I'm even trying to move it to 75 now, it's too wide. No, it's not, it's just like, here we go, bike out here. I'll shoot at 75 now.
Yeah. How'd it come out?
I didn't think it came out too well.
Oh, you got it quite tight.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
He clapped my arm. You're making me laugh with your silent shutter. Just clapping them off in their face. They don't even know.
That was as wide as I could, or as tight as I could get it.
Yeah.
And I still weren't getting a tight shot.
Tight shot, yeah. Should we go down this way or this way?
Either way.
Yeah.
We came up that way and went down this way.
Yeah, alright, let's go back down this way. Right, I'm gonna sign out of this. Sorry there hasn't been much shooting. But yeah, Colchester's alright. I think at the moment we've got to wait for things to just go back to normal. Just to get more people, get more interaction, just get more of a vibe, because right now it just feels quite, I don't know what the word is, relaxed. There's not a lot going on, so until the next one, hit the sub button for more content. I'll speak to you in the next one. Peace.